Yeah, you see it. The Glocks in their face, Glockies. We got the ice cream man. Mr. Ice Cream Man. Mr. Ice Cream Man. Oh, what's up with everybody? Represent, represent. Tap, man, tap, man, tap. Yeah. We got the ice cream, man. There go my bro bars. You already know we the best. Pop out, rock out, man. You already know. What's up with it, my bro? Bars. Man, you already know me just chilling out, popping out. You already know how we do. You already know. We the best. Pull a Glock out. You hear me? In the PSA dagger. Pop out on these boys. You hear me? Let them know, hey, say, don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. You hear me? Cooking got a little something, something. Bars. I got a little something, something. Yeah, what's up with it, my bro? How was your day, bro? Man, it's perfect. I'm off. Yes. Okay. Shit, I'm off. I'm like, oh, hell yeah. Yeah, we got a little, you know what I'm talking about, a little drum. Yes, sir. We stay, you know how we do. We got a little something, my bro. Yeah. You know how we pop out. Put it in their face. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. We the best YouTube family, man. Bars, we come with it. Yeah. Appreciate you showing love, my bro. You already know. We the best. Everybody tap in if you real. You already know. Let me pop out on the screen. You know what I'm talking about. Anybody want to hit the link, you gotta let me know. Bars. Try to set it up. Set it up on the board. Yeah. Let's go. Barbecue. There we go. Bars. There go my bro. Bars. We the best. Let's go. Pop out, rock out. Cowboy Nation, baby. Cowboy Nation. What it do? Yes, sir. What's up? What's up with it, y'all? Yeah, we ain't playing no games. We the best over here. Yeah, how everybody doing? How everybody doing? Everybody pop out, rock out. We finna get our jam on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Pop out, rock out. Let's go, jam that J Soul. He gonna pop out. I forgot. Bar. I've been smoking out the. It was perfect. I can't complain, my bro. It was perfect. Bars. Fire in the hole. You already know. Man, that's some motivation. Let's go. Everybody share this live, post this live. Let's go. La mama from the island, I call her Stony. Smoke blacks, eyes low, see nothing in front of me. Trey swing low like I'm swinging on monkey trees. Elevate, no sink, Titanic, I know me. No light, straight dark, when hunting the enemy. All these niggas act like they really a friend of me. I don't got no friends, my brothers is kidding me. Money moves on stand still under the money tree. I've been smoking out the OZ. It's some OG. Bad bitches wanna blow me. Pop out, rock out. Everybody kick it out, kick your shoes off. You know what I'm saying? Take them motherfuckers off. You hear me? Yeah, sit back and chill. Yeah. I'm just saying, yeah, it's showtime. Relax. You hear me? Buy that shit up. Hold that shit up, man. It's Friday, y'all. Everybody relax time. You hear me? Come on, bro. We gonna chill. You hear me? Like, hey.